What is happening in the double slit experiment is we are experiencing a minimum of 2 time dimensions, and we can prove it. We know Einstein proved that time is not fixed, it is variable. So in this experiment, rather than see the wave like a water, a flat surface, we see it, we imagine it multidimensional, like a vibration, like the music, yeah? But we only have one point of impact at the wall, similar to music. When we record it, yeah, we record it on one point of impact. Now, what else is happening with this experiment? When we have the front wall, we have the wave continuing after the point of impact. And on the back wall, we have secondary points of impact from the interference pattern. Similar in music to like a wave, but we cannot record it. We can only record in the first instance, the first time dimension. And to explain this, I will show you this diagram, yeah? The back wall, we have, if we did not have the front wall, all the particles would hit the back wall, say for example, within a circle with a radius of 12 units. But when we put the front wall on, say 50 units wide, 20 units high, all the particles will hit a specific area, roughly, for example, a circle with a radius roughly 9 units in radius. Now these numbers are not fixed, they are just for examples to illustrate the theory, okay? Now when we fire the particle, we have the 2 slits as well. Now the slits, for example, are 3 units wide by 7 units high, for example. So when we fire a specific number of particles, say for example 1000 instances, altogether we will get 1000 points of impact, which is, again, these numbers are not fixed, but for sake of argument, we have the 958 point of impact on the front wall, and we have 42 points of impact on the back wall. Altogether, 1000 points of impact. When we record it, that is what we get. But when we do not record it, when we let the experiment go its course and we count at the end, what we have is we have more points of impact. Yeah, on the front wall, we still have 958 points of impact. But on the back wall, we not only have the 42 points of impact from the primary wave, we have secondary waves from the interference pattern. So we have multiple more points of impact. It could be hundreds, who knows? But this is a theory. And so I do not have the equipment to do this theory myself. I am not involved in high-tech science circles. I do not even have my own house. I am homeless, yeah? But if you do this, you will see. This is actually what is happening. We can only record in the one-time dimension. Now, the implications for this are phenomenal. And in what I also reveal in my next video will absolutely blow your minds. I promise you, it is absolutely almost unbelievable, but true. So, when the world and the scientists prove that I am correct, that this is what happened, then I shall release the second video of the implications. And I promise you, it will blow your mind. It's almost unbelievable, but it is true. In the best possible way. Absolutely phenomenal, fantastic. So please, you scientists, you go do your experiments here and wait for what is coming next. It is phenomenal, I promise you.